Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Instagram ad account disabled. If your Instagram ad account has been disabled and you want to recover it, just follow the step-by-step guide I'm about to share. Step 1. Understand why your Instagram ad account was disabled. If your Instagram ad account was disabled, it's usually due to one of the following reasons: violation of Instagram or Facebook's advertising policies, suspicious or unusual activity, like creating too many ads quickly, billing issues, such as expired credit cards or unpaid balances. Before you can fix the issue, it's important to identify the cause. You can start by reviewing Instagram's advertising policies to understand what might have gone wrong. Step 2. Check your Instagram account status. When your Instagram ad account gets disabled, you'll often see a message explaining why. To check more details, open Instagram, go to your profile, tap the menu icon in the top right. Go to Settings and Privacy. Tap on Account Status. This section shows whether any ads or content have been flagged for violations. It's the first place to check when learning how to fix Instagram ad account disabled. Step 3. Appeal the decision. If you believe the account was disabled by mistake, you can submit an appeal. Here's how. Go to the Facebook Business Help Center. Instagram ads are managed through Facebook Ad Manager. Submit a request for a review of your disabled ad account. Alternatively, visit the Facebook Account Quality page to see the exact reason and request a review. Fill out the appeal form with all required details and explain why you believe the account was disabled in error. Once submitted, Facebook or Instagram will review your appeal and respond to you via email. So that's how to fix Instagram ad account disabled step by step. By identifying the issue, checking your account status, and submitting a proper appeal, you can often recover access and get your ads back up and running. If this video helped you, make sure to like and subscribe for more tutorials on fixing Instagram issues. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next video.